Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Bank of Hawaii, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Bank of Hawaii website. Log into your online banking account or create a new one if you haven't yet. Once logged in, navigate to the budgeting tools section. Explore the various budgeting options available. Choose a budgeting tool that suits your needs. Begin by entering your income sources. Include all forms of income to get an accurate picture. Next, list your monthly expenses. Categorize these expenses into fixed, variable, and discretionary. Add in any seasonal or occasional expenses you may have. After entering all data, review the total income and total expenses. Compare these two figures to see if you're in a surplus or deficit. If you're in a deficit, identify areas where you can cut back. Consider using the Bank of Hawaii's financial guidance resources for tips. Once your budget is finalized, set specific financial goals. These can include saving for a vacation or paying off debt. Regularly review your budget each month. Adjust your budget as necessary based on changing circumstances. Utilize the Bank of Hawaii mobile app for on-the-go tracking. Set reminders for bill payments to avoid late fees. Always keep an eye on your spending patterns. Look for subscriptions or expenses you may no longer need. At the end of each month, assess your budget's effectiveness. Make notes on what worked well and what didn't. Use these insights to improve your budgeting in the following month. Engage with Bank of Hawaii's community. Stay committed to your budgeting goals for long-term financial wellness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.